Welcome to Breathing Breaks with Balanced Kids Yoga. We'll turn your sleepy, bored, angry, worried, or distracted feelings into good vibes.
Today's breathing break is bee breathing. To breathe like a bee, we have to hum for as long as we can on one breath. Are you ready? Take a big breath in through your nose and Good. This time, try it with your eyes closed and picture a busy bee. Are you ready? Well done! Third time, let's make it sound like there is a bee in our brain by closing our eyes and blocking our ears. Take a big breath in. Wow, so long. Good breathing break, everybody. See you next time.
Thanks for joining me, everyone. I've got lots more videos for you, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.